Oh my god, I cannot believe this happened. I totally needed that because I'm so not wearing foundation in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am the ThesPNation. I am an OG YouTuber that reviews luxury beauty all the time. And since you're already here, I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit that like button, definitely hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, click that notification bell just so that you're aware of all the videos that I have coming out. So a few weeks ago, I reached out to a luxury brand. I wanted them to check out a video that I did reviewing one of their products. They responded and forwarded me to their social media team. I reached out to the social media team, sent them a link of the video. They really liked it and they wanted to send me a product that I actually alluded to because I was mentioning this product was coming out in the fall and how I was excited to try it. And they said, you know, they wanted to go ahead and send it to me. And not only did they want to send that to me, but they wanted to send me other things that hadn't actually dropped yet. They're actually available right now. But, you know, it was something at the time when we were actually in correspondence. It was something that was actually not released just yet. So I received that package in like a matter of days. I think it was maybe 2 days from our first conversation. And in that email, they stated that they had 2 packages that they wanted to send me because in my mind, I'm like, okay, I'm thinking, you know, it's just a small, you know, little PR package that they were just going to send me. And I was totally grateful for it. And as I said, I got the package really quickly and, you know, just shaking it around, I could feel that there's obviously 2 boxes in here. So I was assuming that these were the 2 packages. That's how I was interpreting the email. However, just recently, a new package showed up and my partner got a notification, you know, that there was a package that was delivered. And, you know, he told me, he said, you know, did you order something? And I was like, no, actually, I haven't ordered anything, which is not like me. But he was actually surprised that, you know, it wasn't something I ordered. But once he got it to me and I looked at the name, I was like, oh my God. So they sent me 2 separate packages. So this is the first one and here's the second one. So once I got all of this, I just said to myself that I really want to unbox everything in front of you guys. I want you to share this experience with me because number one, this is the first time that I have ever received PR from a luxury brand. If I had to guesstimate, I would say it's been approximately 8 to 9 years that, you know, I've actually received PR. And the fact that this is from a very high prestige luxury brand, I'm just gobsmacked right now. Like, I cannot believe this. So, and of course, I wanted to share this with you guys because we're a family here at TEAMNATION. And without each and every one of you watching my videos, sharing my videos, getting my name out there again, purchasing the products that, you know, I actually do, you know, show you guys, and I'm being completely honest in all of my reviews as I always am. If you guys didn't do that, and they didn't even know, and actually I wasn't even aware that people were actually buying the particular product I reviewed in that video, but a number of you actually did, and I was literally shocked once I found that out. But and definitely thank you to those of you who did make that purchase. But, you know, removed from that, if none of that happened, none of this would have been possible. So thank you so very much. I truly appreciate it. And we are getting this channel just growing. I have new subscribers and it just keeps increasing and increasing. And of course, it's not some exponential rate like, you know, some huge YouTuber, but once I get there, you know, we'll get there. It's a process. I'm an OG YouTuber. I'm coming back. So we have to do things slow and steady or we can just go crazy. Who knows what happens? It's 2020, rolling into 2021. Anything's possible at this point. So I'm very optimistic. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox this. So I'm trying to be calm because this brand, this is not an inexpensive brand. So the fact that I have 2 packages in front of me, this is crazy to me that they would send me this much. But I am so appreciative and so thankful that, you know, things that I have done here on this channel are beginning to pay off. So let's go ahead and get everything started. I have my trusty scissors. So I'll go ahead and open up the first package that I originally received. Oh, they included a card, and I'm kind of building up anticipation by not actually saying the name of the brand, but of course in the description box, any of the products that they actually sent me, I will include in the description box if you want to explore, if you'd like to use any of those links and purchase any of those items. Again, with those items, I would receive a small commission, of course. You do not have to make any purchases, and also no matter what they actually have sent me, I will go ahead and review everything, and these will roll out in future videos. But definitely, if you are just interested and want to make a a purchase right now without me talking about it, definitely feel free to do so because I'm forever grateful. And, you know, of course, like I said, I receive a small commission. It's not a huge amount of money. I haven't seen any money from anything that any of you guys have purchased just yet. I'm very new to that entire process with affiliate links, so I'm still learning, and who knows when I'll actually see that, but it's something that's starting, so I'm excited. So let's get to it. So the card, of course, they included their business card, which I'm just keeping that, you know, to myself. And the business card states, Brian, an assortment of new concealers and foundations for you to try. Let us know what you think. All the best. And the brand. Here's the brand. Y'all, I got PR from Clay to Poe. Oh my God. And even the paper clip with the business card gold, I just like that, you know. I mean, it ain't real gold, but I'm just saying, it's all about the details. Okay, so in the first package, there's these 2 boxes that I could feel around, you know, when I actually was trying to shake the package to see, you know, get some type of idea. So it's, you know, 2 Clay to Poe gift boxes. So let's see what it is. Okay. Oh my, okay. So they sent me the Radiant Fluid Foundation Matte. This is the new foundation that I spoke to in my Clay to Poe Radiant Fluid Foundation video. So they sent me the shade 080, which was the shade that I wore in the Radiant Fluid Foundation. And they also sent me 090 as well. So that's 1 shade up. And also in here, let's see, what is this? Ooh, and they also sent me the long-lasting hydrating build, broad spectrum SPF 21 sunscreen. Wow, look up that price. Wow. Okay, and I can't believe this. What is this? Is this a sample? Broad spectrum sun concealer. Wait a minute. Espresso. What? Hold up. Wait just a minute here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They actually have made concealers for black people now, y'all. Okay. Y'all don't understand. Clay to Poe has not had concealers for darker skin tones for quite some time. I've probably been waiting for at least 15 years to see this. Oh my God. It's the shade Espresso. Wow. And this is chocolate. Do you see the shade? Oh my God, it's chocolate. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so the second box. Oh my God. Oh my God. They've made concealers for people of color. Oh my God. Can't believe. I can't believe they sent so many. Oh my God. Okay, so they sent me also the concealer when, you know, initially I had just asked about the foundation. They also sent me the concealer in the new shades Cocoa and Hazelnut. So now I have 3 shades of Clay to Poe concealer for people of color. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the concealers are about $70 a piece, 75, 73, something like that. So these are 3 new shades. Oh my God. Have they expanded it even further? That's amazing. I mean, I can't believe it. Okay. Let's continue. There's more in here. Let's see. This is the Radiant Corrector for eyes. And there's 3 of these in here. Oh my God. And they're also in the shades Hazelnut, Cocoa, and Espresso. Wow. I've not tried this before, but I have heard about it, and it's very much in the same vein as like a Touche Éclat. I believe it's definitely more coverage than the Touche Éclat, but it's very similar. It's the same type of idea, so. Wow, okay. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. What's in here? Jesus. This is too much. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all made this possible. Oh my God. Wow. What is this? Oh boy. Oh my. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry about makeup. I'm not doing that. Not today. Oh my. Oh my God. What? How much is in here? Y'all. Okay, so these are also concealers. So they sent me 6 additional concealers and oh my God. So they sent me a total of 9 new concealers. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, so ultimately they sent me 7 different shades of concealer. And then they sent me 2 extras of 2 different shades. Oh my. They sent me 9 concealers. Okay, let's continue. And then they sent me 5 more of the Radiant Corrector for the eyes. But they had already sent me 3, so they ultimately sent me 8. So they sent me 8 of them, y'all. Oh my, oh boy. The shade names are Cocoa, Espresso, Hazelnut, Nutmeg, and Buff. These 3 shades were duplicated, so there's actually 3 extra ones. So there may be a giveaway coming in the future. And also there's the shade Buff and Nutmeg. So I don't even know. Honestly, I don't. Okay, and now there's a FedEx bag in here as well. What is this? Oh my god, are these foundations? Oh my god, no. Oh my god, this is so generous. I am not gonna cry about this. Like, that is so... So to top this all off, in addition to the other foundation shades that they sent me in the new matte foundation, they sent me 6 others. These foundations are $130 if I'm not mistaken. So in the Radiant Fluid Foundation, I wear shade 080, and that was as deep as it actually went in that particular formula, but in the new formula, it does go a bit deeper. So in this one, I'm assuming I wear the shade 080, but they also included the 2 deepest shades in this foundation, which are 090 and 0100. And of course, it's an O, it's ochre, which means that it's going to have a warm yellow undertone. And then they also included shades B80, 90, and B100, and B is beige, which will be pink or red undertones. And then they also included an extra of 090, which means this is something that I could actually give away, of course, because I couldn't possibly use all these, and I would love to, you know, give you guys a piece of this luxury and just amazingness. So in total, in foundations, they sent me 7 foundations that are $130. Oh my god. I literally don't know what to say right now. I am so just shocked. And I cannot believe this. As far as the foundations are concerned, I'm going to review this foundation. So of course, in that video, I'm going to give you detailed swatches and of course, review the foundation. As far as the concealers are concerned, of course, I will incorporate that in the video, or actually may make a separate video entirely dedicated to the concealer. So even if you were to buy this concealer right now blindly, you would be pleased because it is one of the most popular concealers, especially one of the most popular high-end concealers, and one of the most expensive, of course, that you can buy. And it's been a favorite for ever. I mean, I feel like it's been forever, especially in my beauty career. I mean, everybody would talk about, well, Caucasians would talk about the Clé de Peau concealer and how they always had to have it. Like, I gotta have it, I gotta use it. It was always in magazines, all that good stuff. This is insane. Oh my god. And of course, these Radiant Correctors for the eyes, these are something that, you know, it's a clicking mechanism, so, you know, I have to actually prime it up. So this is something, again, that I would review. Of course, this is another awesome product that I just absolutely have always been wanting to try. I've been wanting to try this for a minute. So look at it this way. Shiseido owns Clé de Peau, and Clé de Peau is at the very top when it comes to luxury for Shiseido. It's kind of like Clé de Peau and then Shiseido and then everything that trickles under there. You know, you have your NARS and all that good stuff. I think I'll just briefly go through the concealers. I just want to see them because I cannot believe this has actually happened. Okay, so here's the shade Buff. I just want you to see how this looks in the tube. So this one is very light. So this one's hazelnut, and we're getting a bit deeper here. I mean, they have a concealer called Cocoa. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is like my skin. This is a long time coming. Like, to just see the progress. This is amazing. Here is Espresso. This one looks to be a very warm chocolate color. And there's 2 more. Here's Toffee. Looks like that. It's beautiful. Last but not least is Nutmeg. Look at that. That may be my shade too. I'm not sure. And of course, I will review all this in a video, so you'll see swatches and all of that. This is more of an unboxing and just the experience, just the excitement I wanted to share with you guys. Pretty sure it's what I think it is. It's just I have never seen it in a box, so yes, it is. Oh, Beautiful, beautiful packaging. So here's the hydrating bill, and as you can see, it's very tiny because, baby, this is luxury. Oh. Oh my god, and it's not ashy, y'all. Oh, smells beautiful. I love Clé de Peau. I've used Clé de Peau for a number of years, so this is like nothing new to me. It's just I'm not used to, you know, having stuff like this thrown at me. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, as far as foundation is concerned, I'm going to do a video on the foundation. So of course I will show everything in that video. I don't even want to open these yet until I do that video. I just want to give a big shout out and a huge thank you to the Clé de Peau Beauté team, and just, you know, even considering me, you know, to send me these things. And we've even, you know, had discussions about other products being sent to me, which again is just, this is like a dream for me right now. So thank you so very much to the Clé de Peau team. And of course I want to say thank you to each and one of you yet again. I can't thank you enough, you know, for even making this possible. Definitely rate, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the video on this new foundation, because of course this will be coming immediately. Thank you for watching, and once again, thank you for your support. It means absolutely everything to me. Bye guys.